Yeah, my name's Mark Smith. I'm a volunteer, or champion as it's known, of the Time to Change Wales campaign. Time to Change Wales is the first ever all-Wales mental health, anti-stigma and discrimination campaign. It's run by the three leading mental health voluntary sector organisations in Wales, so that's Mind Cymru, Hafal and Gofal. And in terms of the champions that have won the award today, they are essentially people with lived experience of mental ill health, and we are supported to start conversations around mental health and to deliver activities that help to raise awareness around mental health in a multitude of ways. So that could be something as simple as having a conversation with one friend or one family member or one colleague. It could be becoming an educator. They are volunteers who are trained to go into workplaces or other organisations to talk to groups of people at a time, again, about mental health. There are a million volunteers in Wales, and if each of those volunteers, or even half of those volunteers in Wales, can have some sort of discussion around mental health, it will go that step further again to tackling mental health stigma and discrimination in Wales and helping us to treat it more fairly in society. Thanks very much.
What does it mean to the group to win the Wales Volunteer of the Year award today?
I think it means everything. We are generally a busy bunch of people. There are now just over 300 champions. And I think that's recognition for the many hours, the many hours that have been put in by the team, by the champions, to make these things happen.